Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can check if your Vivo smartphone is real or fake. For that we will need the dialer for. So just tap here on the dialer and dial *#06#, and then you will find these device informations. So with the IMEI numbers. So just take your box then, where has been the phone in, and compare it with the numbers here on the phone. So if they are fine, so it's the first time that the phone is real. By the way, basically we have two IMEI numbers, so it depends if the phone is a dual SIM phone. Usually it is. If you have just one single SIM phone, you will have just one IMEI number, so don't worry about. So just compare the number or the numbers with the numbers on the box. After, just tap here on OK and the device information will disappear. Yeah, there's a second way to check if your Vivo smartphone is original or fake. So, and for that we will need the dialer again, and with the second code we will have some further information. So just dial now *#09#, and we will have now these details. Again with the IMEI numbers, but now with the barcode and the product name. So take the box again and compare now the product name. Now the product name is nothing else than the model number, and if it's the same, you can be pretty sure that the phone is original. If you want to go also a bit further, you can check even the RAM size or the ROM size. It is most of the time also written here on the box. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with that, and yeah, I hope also that your phone is original so that you can sleep much better right now. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos like tips and tricks again for the Vivo smartphone. And yeah, you can subscribe me as well if you want. I have done also videos for other phones if you're interested in. It would be very nice if you see us again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.